Today we're having an Earth Day event. We're doing this jointly with the Tysons Community Alliance, and we have a number of different wonderful organizations here that are promoting and talking about the different Earth-related activities they do. And we're also celebrating our Dark Skies Proclamation. Now therefore, be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all Fairfax County residents, does hereby proclaim the week of April 21st through 28th, 2025 as International Dark Sky Week.
Dark Sky International is the leading recognized authority on light pollution. The importance of this week is it gives us an opportunity to really raise the awareness of this problem of light pollution. It's that internal clock. And circadian rhythm is what they call it. So in addition to the impact on our human health and the view of the night sky, light pollution, or artificial light at night, impacts the migrating birds.
And whereas over 100 million birds migrate through our night skies each spring and fall, and light pollution substantially contributes to bird deaths when they collide with lighted buildings or exhaust themselves circling lighted structures.
I was out at 4 o'clock in the morning and I hear a bird singing. Well, it's not dawn and it's not sunrise, so we're really throwing all these creatures off with our artificial lights.
The impact of that light pollution on the local ecology, on the regional ecology, and even global bird migratory patterns.
This Earth Day event is helping us reinforce our collective responsibility to preserve and to protect the natural habitats and also spaces in developing Tysons into a more greener, sustainable place for people to live, work, and visit.
Here we're at the edge of Tysons. This is obviously the urban center for Fairfax County, but it's also a stretch of woods known informally as the Tysons Forest. And we have a lot of people in the community. We have organizations that really care about this natural area and are really serving as stewards. It's a new twist on Earth Day that we're hoping to get the message out about.
You can contact darkskyfriends.org. So we really need your help and we need people to get involved.